Thank you for tuning in to our Retirement Education Center YouTube channel, where on this channel, we believe in providing you unbiased advice to help you maximize all of your retirement income. Now, on our channel, we do not believe in providing you any type of silver bullet strategies, and we certainly do not believe in glorifying any type of one product. But what we do believe in are holistic concepts that would help you retire with confidence. Now, today, what we're asking you is, do you know how to build a retirement income that you can never outlive? If you do not know the answer to that question, or you can't simply say yes to that question, then you're definitely going to want to stay locked into this video today, because we're going to give you 6 key steps that we personally use for our clients to make sure that they never run out of income in retirement. So definitely stay locked in. Hi, my name is Carson Graves, President and CEO of the Retirement Education Center.
And my name is Andrea Graves, Director of Operations at the Retirement Education Center. And we want to thank you for tuning in to our Retirement Education Concepts videos. These videos were created to help to make the difficult and confusing retirement process simple.
Absolutely, Andrea, because with so many retirement concepts out there, so many retirement strategies, and of course, so many retirement products, it definitely can become difficult for consumers to digest it all. That's why we're so fortunate to work with a team of expert advisors to help us build a financial roadmap that will let our clients know when, where, and how they can reach their retirement goals.
For additional concepts on how to maximize your retirement, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when we upload new videos. Carson, outliving your retirement savings is a #1 fear for seniors and retirees out there. Is there any way to alleviate this with proper planning?
Well, Andrea, I sure hope so, because if not, this video is going nowhere fast today.
Okay.
But of course, if you pose that question, we obviously have an answer to it. Now, so today we're going to be talking about 6 key steps that we personally use to help our clients never outlive their money. So you're certainly going to want to pay attention today. But before we get into that, Andrea, there are always 2 rules that we like to give everyone. And what are those 2 rules?
Well, rule number 1 is to never run out of money, and rule number 2 is to never forget rule number 1.
All right, so let's go ahead and dive into our lesson today and talk about how to never run out of your retirement income.
Okay, Carson, remind us again, what is a retirement income plan?
Absolutely, Andrea. Simply, a retirement income plan is designed to help you cover all of your expenses once your paycheck stops. Basically what you should do with a retirement income plan is include all of your resources to make sure that it can generate enough income to cover all of your expenses for the rest of your life. That's clearly what a retirement income plan should be and what it should do. Andrea, it's basically the difference between you working for your money versus your money working for you. Now, when it comes to retirement income planning, there are literally 2 phases that you're going to have to pay attention to. The first phase most people are going to be looking at is the accumulation phase. Now, during the accumulation phase, unfortunately, most people do get it wrong. They have their income minus their expenses is going to equal what they actually put back for savings. That is an incorrect way to actually operate during the accumulation phase. It should be your income minus your savings is going to equal your living expenses. And what that does, Andrea, is actually going to make you pay yourself first. And that's exactly what you should be doing during the accumulation phase. You need to pay yourself first and then pay everyone else. Now, the second phase to retirement income is going to be the decumulation phase, okay? Now, in the decumulation phase, basically it's going to be the savings that you've accumulated. It's going to be plus or minus your investment gains or losses, any type of fees from your advisor, and of course taxes. And that is going to equal your net income, which is the most important income for you, because that's the money that you take home. Now, the question at this point, Andrea, is going to be, how much do you need and how long do you need it for? And also you want to ask yourself, is this something that you want to personally monitor and keep up with? Or do you want it to be something that's more regular and more predictable and stable for your retirement income needs?
So Carson, what are some questions that people should be asking when it comes to their retirement income goals?
Well, basically, Andrea, there are 3 main questions that people should be asking. One, you should be asking yourself, are you saving money to just simply fund a budget? Basically just to get by? Or are you saving money to actually fund a quality of life for yourself? Do you want to travel? Do you want to do some things for the grandkids? And the third thing you must understand is that, do you understand how all of your assets fit together in order to fund said quality of life? So that's what people should be asking. And if you don't know the answer to those questions, that is why we're now going to provide you 6 key steps that we utilize to help our clients never outlive their money. So now go ahead and pay attention to these key 6 steps that we do to help our clients not outlive their money. And maybe these are steps that you would want to follow for yourself, or at least encourage your financial advisor to help you follow. So the first step that we make sure that we help our clients do to maximize their full retirement income potential is to maximize their Social Security benefits. This is a key step in any retirement income plan, Andrew, because if you don't get this right, you can literally be leaving tens and even hundreds of thousands of dollars on the table. So we want to make sure that we help our clients do this. And how do we do this? We have a key Social Security maximization report that we provide at no cost to our clients, so they can know exactly the year and the month in which they should be filing for their benefits. The second step that we actually implement for our clients' understanding of their income is getting their risk tolerance. You have to know your risk tolerance, or we really can't even have a conversation with you as a fiduciary, because this is going to help us understand how to properly allocate your money better. And in order to do this, we have an 11-question quiz that we actually have our clients do in order to get a score between 0 and 100. And once we have that score, we'll know exactly what type of investor they are, and we can move forward with understanding better how to allocate these funds when we're actually investing those dollars. The third step that we're going to follow is that we are going to determine for our clients the amount of dollars they need to have liquid. Because we always tell our clients they need to have at least 6 months to maybe even 18 months worth of living expenses set aside in order to take care of any pertinent needs that's going to be immediate. If there's some sort of emergency, if you have to do repairs on your home, we want to make sure that we understand how much money our clients need to have liquid according to their monthly expenses. In step 4, what we do, we decide exactly what percentage of your money we need to have allocated for growth. And we utilize, of course, your risk tolerance score in order to make this determination. Now, in step 5, what we simply do is we take the percent of your liquid money and we add it to your growth percentage, and we subtract that percentage from 100, and that is going to leave us the percent of dollars that we need to have as protected money, what we call green money for you. This is money that you can never outlive, and it's going to be your safe assets. Now, in our final step, step 6, all we do is take that protected income bucket, that green money resource, and we add it to your Social Security or your pension to create a guaranteed income that you can never outlive. And then we utilize your growth bucket to help combat inflation and provide you the growth that you're going to need in order to be successful with your money long term.
Well, Carson, those were some very helpful steps that I hope people can utilize. So we thank you for your insight on this topic, and we thank you for watching. And if you felt that this information was beneficial for you, please like this video and share with others.
So I really do hope that the information that we shared with you today would be beneficial for you to understand how to build your own retirement income plan that you can never outlive. Please understand that these videos are created for educational purposes only, and that you should always seek out your own financial advisor, your own tax advisor, and your own attorney regarding your personal situation. Also, if you are looking for a fiduciary financial advisor to help you with these types of complex financial matters, we highly recommend that you utilize the links in the description below and go ahead and schedule a 1-hour free consultation with us today.
For additional information on this topic or any of the other topics that we've shared in our other videos, please feel free to reach out to our office or leave any questions or comments in the section below. After this video, please check out our other videos that will give you tips on how to maximize your retirement. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it with a friend. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you have questions,
we have answers.